Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to ban or block someone from your Facebook page. Facebook recommends banning people who continuously publish spam on your page. You can choose to unban them at any time. When you ban someone from your page, they will still be able to share content from your page to other places on Facebook, but they will no longer be able to publish to your page, like or comment on your page post, message your page or like your page. To ban someone, log into your Facebook account, then go to the page. On your Facebook page, tap on Settings. Click on People and Other Pages. Here you will find 4 options: people who like this page, pages that like this page, banned people and page, people blocked on Messenger. Select your option and you will find the list of names who like your page. Click ban. Facebook will show you a pop-up message that if you want to ban this person or not. Tap OK if you want to ban. There are several ways to unban a person or another page from your page. From your page settings, click People and Other Pages. Tap on Ban People and Pages. Here you will find the list of names whom you ban from your pages. Tap on Unban. And the person will be unbanned. Friends, that was our short informative video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for being with the tutorial lab.